Nature is a source of inspiration and wonder, and in this video, we're going to show you why. Nature has a way of calming our minds and restoring our spirits. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply watching the sun rise or set, nature has the power to refresh and rejuvenate us. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most stunning natural wonders in the world. From towering mountains to lush forests, from babbling brooks to thundering waterfalls, we will showcase the beauty and majesty of nature. We'll also highlight the importance of preserving and protecting our natural environment. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting conservation efforts, there are many ways that we can help ensure that these wonders of nature remain for future generations to enjoy. So sit back, relax, and let nature inspire and uplift you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more inspiring content.